Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Delima Septiani. Saya berasal dari jurusan Pendidikan Ekonomi dengan NIM 2005374. Saya akan menjelaskan sedikit tentang modal auxiliaries. Yang pertama itu definition of modal auxiliaries. Modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate a modality. The modalities are possibility, ability, demand, capacity, suggestion, command, and obligation. These auxiliary verbs must be used with the main verb. These modal verbs are used to express needs, possibilities, abilities, requests, as well as orders. Auxiliary verbs serve to help other verbs to show tense and also the mood of the speaker. The forms of auxiliary verbs are do, be, and have. Example of modal verbs are must, shall, should, would, can, could, might, and will. This modal verb is different from other verbs. When using modal verbs, the third person does not need to add the suffix s to the present tense. For example, she cans or he cans. Those are incorrect forms. Rules of the use of auxiliary capital. 1. Verbs cannot be added with s if there is auxiliary capital. And 2. Between auxiliary capital words and verbs cannot be connected with to. And 3. If auxiliary capital is a past form, then the verb used must be the first form verb. And 4. The question sentence is formed by placing an auxiliary capital in front of the sentence. I'm so sorry. And 5. The negative sentence is formed by adding a not after auxiliary capital. For example, he can make a fruit cake. It is a wrong sentence. And he can make a fruit cake. Itu adalah contoh yang benarnya. Dan untuk contoh yang kedua, itu untuk yang salahnya, they can to take this paper to that room. Dan untuk yang benarnya, itu they can take this paper to that room. Dan untuk contoh yang ketiga, untuk yang salahnya itu, they could sing at the karaoke until midnight. Untuk kalimat yang benarnya yaitu they could sing at the karaoke until midnight. Untuk contoh yang keempat, untuk yang salahnya itu can your father speak English well? Dan untuk yang benarnya, could you contact him last night? Dan untuk contoh yang kelima, itu would the negative sentence informed by adding a not after the auxiliary capital. Would, must, can, need, could, should with not often written in short form. That is shouldn't, can, couldn't, mustn't, wouldn't, and needn't. For example, will and would are usually abbreviated to I'll, and she'll call him back after dinner. Baiklah, hanya segitu yang dapat saya sampaikan. Mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan dalam penyampaian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.